tell me what to do. Tell me in the time when you gotta get She wants to wind her. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She wants to wind her. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She wants to wind her. She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.
She wants to wander.
She on me heaven.
Yeah.
That's what they say.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. I'm here to show you a new wig that is hot on the market. So I can't wait to get started. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. All right, you guys, before we get started, make sure you do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl, because I got a lot of good stuff coming on the channel and I don't want you to miss out. You guys, so today I do have the new unit Alpha Woman, and this one is from Sensationnel. It's a part of their textured lace wig collection, the Curls, Kinks, and Co. And this is for all curl types from 3B to 4C. And the color that I have today is Flamboyage Mocha. I was super excited about this color, so I definitely wanted to see what it looks like. Wow, it has some blonde in it, it has some 1B, it has some looks like color 4, so I think this one is going to be a winner. Of course, when I saw this wig come out on the market, it was reminiscent of the launch by Outre, which was the, what was those wigs that just everybody went crazy for? The Nisha Reloaded. So it took me a while to get my hands on one of those, so I was determined to get my hands on this one early so I could review it for you guys. And here we are. So I am cutting off the lace on this one. This hairline looks really nice, you guys. Like, I actually think it looks really, really good. So it looks like it has some baby hairs. All right, first I want to show you guys the lace color. So this is the lace color. It is literally like perfect color. It is literally the perfect color. I love the lace color. You do have baby hairs on this one, but they're very wispy. I like how they're not thick. I love that. Let's look at the cap construction. You have 2 combs right by the parting space, 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps. It is a center part, but of course you can shift it, and you do have lace all across the front of the hairline. So standard cap construction here. The texture on this unit is very, very textured. I really, really like it, and I like the way the color placement is. I think this wig is going to be a winner for me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and pop this wig on. If you guys like the unit that I'm rocking right now, it is available on my website. You can head over to GLEEmade.com and check this one out, but make sure you finish watching this review first. Okay, so just putting the unit on, I feel like it's a lot of volume, like here and around my face. So what I think I'm going to do is maybe pull it forward a little bit, but I do want to see the color. So what I think I'm going to do is pull it forward a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my flat iron to bring this down a little bit. Actually, I'm going to use my curler. I'm going to turn my curler to 380. I'm also going to do a little swoop. So I have switched from using Eco Styler to using Shine and Jam. I think Shine and Jam is a little better because it doesn't get so ashy. I don't know why, but all of a sudden, Eco Styler, Lord. All of a sudden, that other one is getting really, really ashy on me, and it wasn't before. Have you guys experienced that? That gel is starting to get ashy? This one? I don't know why. Maybe it's just me. But that gel is starting to get like super ashy for me, that edge control. And then I'm just gonna bring a little bit down here. Even though you're not even gonna be able to see the sides, because I feel like it's a little too puffy. You won't be able to see the sides. I'm just gonna bring this down and do this little swoop. But yeah, I'm gonna have the hair down. I'm gonna definitely have the hair down. And then I am going to use some powder. Just use a little bit of powder here. Now the reason why it's so defined back here is because I do have a lighter cap on. So when you have your cap on and it's lighter, it's going to, you know, be lighter where the cap is. But I don't bring the cap all the way to my forehead, because bringing the cap all the way to your forehead is, you can see it. So I don't do that. I don't bring the cap all the way to my forehead. Yes, that's hot. It's on 380, which should be fine, to just bring this down. And see, already you can see the difference. Like, you see how this is higher? And when you use the curler, make sure that you're positioning the hair where you want it, because this is synthetic hair. So it's gonna go where it is when you apply the heat. So you see, already it's like calming down. And it's not so full at the top, because that was just a lot of volume. And I'm even gonna bring it down some more a little bit and just kind of flatten it out along here. Now be careful, don't burn yourself. Be very, very careful. Very careful. And you could just bring it down to wherever you feel like it's too much volume. Just bring the heat down, and that will help to calm down some of that volume. Like you see, I flattened it here, but there's still volume here. It's totally up to you how much volume you want and where you want the volume. But for me, I'm just gonna tone it down all around the top, like all the way down to like where my ear is. I'm just gonna tone all of this down. Now please be careful, do not burn yourself. I definitely like that better. So you see the difference? I kind of pushed the hair to the front and I gave it less volume. So hopefully you can see the difference there. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other side. I definitely like how this is looking now. It's nice and flat. What do we think about this length? I think the length is good. It's a very everyday length. Although I'm not sure this is everyday hair, only because it's very, very full and very thick. And you know, hair that starts off this thick is only going to get thicker as time goes on. This is the type of hair that definitely gets like bigger and fuller with time. So I don't know that I would necessarily wear this hair every day, because this hair is definitely going to get thicker as time goes on. But right now in the winter, this is perfect hair to wear in the winter. It would be a little warm in the summer. I feel like. But for the winter, I think it's cute. I'm not sure if I feel like the color is ashy or I feel like the color is pretty. Normally I love a color number 4, but I feel like these little hints, I wish they were a little more golden than white. Because right now they're reading a little white. So I feel like it's giving me like a ashy vibe as opposed to a blonde vibe. I feel like if they were a little more golden, it would give me a blonde highlighted vibe. But I do like that the highlights are under and not at the top, because you can easily just hide them or you can show them. And actually hidden, I think it looks really pretty, because I do love a color number 4, and I would say that this is definitely a color 4 with a lot of like highlights and lowlights. I'm gonna turn around so you can see the unit from all sides. So it definitely has good movement, even though it's like very full. It definitely has good movement. So in comparison to the Outre Nisha wig, I didn't try the Outre Nisha wig that was in this style, but I would definitely say that this wig is a beautiful wig. It's very, very thick. So be mindful of that. And this color definitely has the highlights, so also be mindful of that. Is this wig Dragoness approved? Yes, I do definitely love this wig, especially since I hadn't tried the other one in this style. I would definitely say try this one out. It's really nice and I like the parting space. So with just a couple of tweaks, I think this one is really cute. So yeah, let me know you guys' thoughts on this one. Are you going to try this Sensational Alpha Woman? I think she's super cute. I also like the name. I think the name is very creative and very cute. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Oh, I also wanted to say thank you Wig Types for sending over this unit. If you want to go ahead and grab this unit, then definitely click the link down below to check it out on Wig Types. And yeah, make sure you share this video. Share this video with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Yes, I said it. Share this video with your mama. All right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.